In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your workflow with Asana AI Studio. First things first, you'll want to ensure that your workspace plan supports Asana's AI features. These are typically available in advanced or enterprise plans. Once you've confirmed that, it's important to ensure Asana Intelligence is enabled. If it's not already active, reach out to your admin to get it set up. Once you have AI set up, a powerful feature you can utilize is Smart Status Updates. Navigate to a project and head over to the Status Updates section. Here you can click on Generate with AI, which will allow Asana to draft updates based on current progress, open questions, and any blockers or risks you might be facing. This draft gives you a solid foundation, and you can then edit it to ensure it reflects exactly what you want to communicate before publishing it for your team. Moving on to getting more direct answers with the AI, use the Ask AI option that you'll find in the project view. This enables you to query the system with questions like, what tasks are overdue, or what's blocking this sprint? The AI will swiftly scan your project details to provide you with immediate answers, which can significantly streamline your decision-making process. The next valuable tool in your AI arsenal is Smart Goal Creation. Go to the Goals section and then select New Goal. Here, Asana's AI can assist in suggesting a goal structure, help you set up metrics to track, and even detect duplicates to prevent any overlap with your existing goals. Another fantastic feature is using smart projects and summaries. When you're ready to initiate a new project, select AI Project Setup. This feature will guide you with suggested task templates, phases, and dependencies, letting you kick off projects more efficiently. For ongoing projects, you can use the Summarize option to get quick insights and updates, such as 5 tasks done, 3 at risk, helping keep your team on track. Automating your workflows is made much simpler with AI Studio. Head over to Tools and select AI Studio. From there, choose a workflow that suits your needs, such as triage requests or assign tickets. You can set up specific rules, like if a task is created with the tag bug, it automatically gets assigned to your dev team and a due date is set. Or, when a document is uploaded, AI can be set to generate a summary and checklist. Lastly, enhance your tasks by connecting AI to your files and links. You can attach documents from Google Drive, OneDrive, or SharePoint, and AI can read, summarize, or extract pertinent information directly from these sources. Adding relevant web links and tasks can also give the AI more data to work with, maximizing the insights you receive. With these tools, you can transform how you manage projects, making your workflow smoother and more efficient.